how do I find a project in D3M? So how do I find a project in D3M? This is a good question, and this is referring to when you first enter D3M. How do you find any of your projects? Once you're signed in, the first thing you're going to see is the projects page. So this is where every project that you are involved on is listed. So if you own the project, or if it was shared with you in some way, it will be listed here. But back to the question, that first question, how do you find your project, that specific project you're looking for? Well, if say I have hundreds, in my case I do have hundreds of projects here, there are a few different tools that we provide to help you find those projects. So one is the filters. The filter here, by default, you're seeing everything, but you can filter by the status of the project. For example, pre-sales, let's just click the pre-sales button. And now I'm only going to see projects that are in the pre-sales stage. You have a variety of stages there, and you can select any of them to see them in that way. Another thing, if you have multiple offices, you can filter by office. So if I only want to see projects that were created here in Ottawa, Canada, then I would click that option there. That's the filtering option there. So filtering is an option. You can also sort. I can sort by the customer name in alphabetical order like that, or project name in alphabetical order, or last modified date, either the most recent or the least recent of my projects, and so on. So sorting options there. And I can search. So let's say I'm looking for a hotel project, or maybe, let's say a hotel project, and then I search the word hotel. That's going to bring up any projects with the word hotel in them. This is searching the customer name, the project name, and so on. But really, I could dig into it a bit deeper than that. There's a search by project data option. And if I were to search by project data, let's say it can be as specific as a serial number, or maybe there is a device such as an XPR 8300. If I search for that, this is going to find every project that includes that device. So that comes in pretty handy in that way. So this is that post-sales support and being able to find your past deployments. That's how that works there.